Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch alloy wheels. Silk beige ambi-text interior. The dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, power seats, ambient lighting, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 27,786 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.